अच्छा, हमारे पास है which one of the following is most common active integrated plan B1 state morning after and pill 11 August 1.5 milligram में ठीक है। Emergency contraception is indicated in all of the following except for regular birth control. Emergency contraception is indicated all of the following except for regular birth control या रेगुलर में यूज नहीं करते ठीक है। द आइडियल टाइम टू टेक लेवोनर्गिस्टल emergency contraception is within 72 hours, most effective within 12 to 24 hours, but up to 72 hours, suggested can up to 124 hours ठीक है। अगर हम 12 से 24 घंटे के अंदर लेते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है, अगर नहीं ले सकते तो 45 घंटे के अंदर अंदर लें। मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ लेवोनर्गिस्टल इन्वॉल्व इनहिबिशन ऑफ ओव्यूलेशन। लेवोनर्गिस्टल क्या करता है? ओव्यूलेशन को इनहिबिट करता है। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट लिस्टेड एज एन इंडिकेशन फॉर emergency contraception in the slide ठीक है। which one of the following is not listed in indication slide में two consecutive but not indicated not listed in indication for emergency contraception in slide slippage of diaphragm failure of coitus with two consecutive pills forced vaginal sex breakage of condom C two consecutive pills mention forget to take OCP but not specific numbers ठीक है। regarding the emergency contraception it is for a regular no false pill contain levonorgestrel 1.5 milligram yes true most effective taken within 72 hours yes true it prevent implantation after fertilization prevent implantation it prevent implantation no false है इसका मैं प्राइमरी बताया बिफोर फर्टिलाइजेशन ठीक है। रेप इज इंडिकेटेड yes true drug pill and B1 step morning after pill levonorgestrel 1.5 milligram single dose इंडिकेशंस क्या है? कंडम फेलियर लेवोनर्गिस्टल की इंडिकेशन क्या क्या है? कंडम फेलियर हुआ आपका ठीक है। पारकोटन बैरियर एनओसीपी डायफ्राम डिस्प्लेसमेंट मिसेस क्रिएटेड सेफ डेज क्वाइटस इंटरप्ट फेलियर रेप क्वाइटस इंटरप्ट फेलियर रेप रेगुलर बर्थ कंट्रोल ठीक है। उसके बाद आ जाए हम maximum time window for use of Ulipristal acetate for contraception 124 hours effective up to 5 days Ulipristal effective up to 5 days 120 hours and levonorgestrel up to 72 hours ठीक है। Ulipristal 5 days up to 124 hours and levonorgestrel up to 72 hours which is treatment about the copper intrauterine device for interconception is intrauterine device emergency contraception is true which statement about copper identify is true? True statement copper is greater than or effective and can be used within 5 days. Copper ID can be used within 5 days. It is also most effective emergency contraception. Copper ID is effective. Copper ID is effective and can be used within 5 days. It also be the most effective. Common side effect of levonorgestrel क्या है? Nausea and copper ID is greater than 95% effective and can be used within 5 days. Can be used within can be used within 5 days. It is also the most effective ठीक है। 5 days में यूज कर सकते हैं most effective है। इमरजेंसी कंट्रासेप्शन का कॉमन साइड क्या है? नोजिया मोमेंटिंग के इमरजेंसी कंट्रासेप्शन इज कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड इन नॉन प्रेगनेंसी सही कहा कंपेयर टू लेवोनर्गिस्टल एसीटेट the longer window use and better efficacy at 124 hours ठीक है। it should be taken on the empty stomach fast can be taken with or without food ठीक है। ये कैन बी टेकन without food repeated use is recommended as a regular contraception less effective and cause irregular bleeding a emergency contraception protect against STI no protection against STI ठीक है। दोनों protect against no protection against STI vomiting within 2 hours of a register require vomiting within 2 hours they will require a periods to BMI greater than 30 reduce efficacy of the gastral BMI greater than 30 reduce efficacy of the gastral to copper preferred in obesity periprestol and copper obesity periprestol acetate and copper iodide preferred in obesity ठीक है। उसके बाद है हमारे पास levonorgestrel within 72 hours, ulipristal within 122 hours, copper less than 5 days, Abortified work before ovulation, fertilization not on implemented not on implanted pregnancy. Obesity is less effective if BMI is in greater than 25. Consider crystal acetate or anti device. सही कॉपर आयोडी मायरीना लॉन्ग एक्टिंग रिवर्सिबल कंट्रासेक्शन में आपके पास एक कॉपर एंटायर कॉपर डी एंटायर डिवाइस है लेवल अर्गेस्ट्रल मायरीना प्रोजेस्टेरोन इम्प्लांट इंजेक्शन डिपो मोस्ट इफेक्टिव रिवर्सिबल कंट्रासेप्शन लेस देन 1% मोस्ट लेस देन 1 मोस्ट इफेक्टिव है लेस देन 1% चांस है copper t 10 years level agricultural 5 to 7 years implant 3 years repo 3 months non contraceptive benefits इसके decrease menorrhagia and dumpa decrease endometriosis and pain return to fertility after removal except dumpa can delay 6 to 12 months best for women who want long term but reversible contraception which one of the following is not a lark method. COC most effective method of reversible contraception is copper duration action on epizoon 3 years. Other required daily compliance false copper can be used as emergency. Yes, Dampa giving every 3 months. Yes, 11 hours increase menstrual blood loss. 11 hours to increase menstrual blood loss. Falsity decrease it. Fertility return immediately after stopping Dampa. No may false may be delay. ठीक है emergency contraception used in unprotected intercourse forgetting to take pills condom slips और breaks rape ठीक है अब आ जाते हैं emergency contraception is indicated all of the following is safe use is a regular contraceptive method which one of the following is statement about emergency contraception is it true it should be taken as soon as possible after entering unprotected intercourse 20 years old present 48 hours after condom rupture most appropriate most 20-year-old present 48 hours 20-year-old present 48 hours after condom rupture 20 years old present 48 hours after condom rupture most appropriate advice is take emergency contraception forget an OCP indications for colonoscopy true. Emergency got 100% fatal failure rate 8% rape is indicated to again we use weekly contraception. Use weekly false condom is a page want to not for a regular use lay figure regular cause menstrual irregularity is not for a regular use not for regular use less effective plus cause menstrual irregularity. Less effective not for a regular use less effective plus cause menstrual irregularity no not for a regular use not for regular use not for regular use less effective not for regular use less effective plus cause menstrual irregularity not for regular use less effective cause menstrual irregularity रेगुलर यूज के लिए यूज नहीं करते ठीक है नो STI प्रोटेक्शन नॉट ओनली प्रिवेंट प्रेगनेंसी ठीक है अर्ली ईयर बेटर एफिकेसी ठीक है most common use method levonorgestrel combined pill use method high dose 20 microgram 2 tablet now in 2 tablet after toilet low dose 20 microgram अच्छा अगर हाई डोज है तो 2 टेबलेट 50 माइक्रोग्राम लो डोज है तो 4 टेबलेट आफ्टर 12 hours 2 टेबलेट आफ्टर 12 hours 4 tablets यूलिपेस्टोलेसिन 30 microgram single dose effective up to 120 hours यूलिपेस्टोलेसिन 30 microgram ineffective है copper iodine copper tea most effective up to 5 days copper anti-uterine device most effective up to 5 days mifepristone 10 milligram effective but not available clinically for not available effective but available नहीं होता levonorgestrel 1.5 most commonly used method is used now due to more exam compare IOD most effective in the emergency and gives ongoing contraception timing less than 24 hours less than 120 less than 5 days commonly used method of emergency contraception is levonorgestrel 1.5 milligram in USB regime using low dose OCP. How many tablets are taken initially? 4 tablets. Which method of emergency is most effective and provide ongoing contraception? Which method of emergency is most effective? Which method of emergency contraception is most? Which method of emergency contraception is most effective and provide? Which method of emergency contraception is most effective and provide ongoing contraception? Which method of most effective and provide ongoing IUCD? The maximum window IULipistol 120. ठीक है मैं फिर यूज क्लिनिकल फॉर इमरजेंसी इफ यूज क्लिनिकली यूज क्लिनिकली फॉर इमरजेंसी contraception but not available clinically use clinically not available clinically as method is a more nausea and vomiting yes can be inserted up to 5 days. Yes, postcoitus. Yes, 2 liver register is given 2 doses. 12 days apart, single 1.5 milligram dose now. ठीक है. 11 orchestral जो एक ओवर काउंटर होती है. हाउ टू टेक सोन इज वन पॉसिबल प्रीफिल विद इन 72 hours ऑफ unprotected sex. One dose 1.5 milligram. Older regime 0.7 25 milligram. One tablet. Repeat one tablet after 12. Name I pill plain B. One step morning after COT on counter. No prescription needed. Most effective in first 12 to 24 hours up to 72 hours. Most effective and first 20 to 12. Most effective in first 12 to 24 hours, but up to 72 hours. Single dose 1.5 milligram is now a standard. 0.5 milligram is older the regime. 1.5 milligram now is standard older regime. Vomiting within 72 hours. Repeat dose. ठीक है, अगर दोबारा वोमिटिंग हो गई तो रिपीट करेंगे. ठीक है. रिगार्डिंग आई पिल विच स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. Prescription record prescription which statement is true. Contain ulipristal acetate 1.5 milligram single dose. Effect up to 5 days. Work by causing abortion. C 1.5 milligram. ठीक है. आंसर इसका सी ही 1.5 milligram रिक्वायर है. A woman present 30 hours 36 hours after unprotected intercourse with levonorgestrel 1.5 milligram. Ajima levonorgestrel 0.7 milligram to 12 hours apart. 12 hours apart. Pill is available. OTC 2 pill is available. OTC 2 pill available. OTC 2 pill is available. Pill is available. 2 pill is available. Pill is available. Pill is available. 2 pill is available. Pill is available. OTC 2 pill is available. 2 pill is available. Pill available. Counters available. OTC 2 most effective taken within 72 hours. Yes, two can be used as a monthly contraception for 1.5 milligram and regime has similar efficacy to not a body work before fertilization. No STI protection doesn't effective features. Pill main mechanism delay ovulation and inhibit ovulation, take cervical mucus. A mechanism of action of levonorgestrel delays ovulation and inhibit ovulation, take cervical mucus. Impaired tubal motility, thinning of endometrium and favorable fall. Implantation. तो चार चीज ही कराएगा. डिले ओव्यूलेशन, थिक सर्वाइकल म्यूकस, इम्पेयर्ड ट्यूबल मोटिलिटी और thinning of endometrium. Prevent fertilization, does not prevent fertilization, does not prevent implantation. प्रिवेंट ये क्या करता है? प्रिवेंट फर्टिलाइजेशन करता है. डज नॉट प्रिवेंट इम्प्लांटेशन को प्रिवेंट नहीं करता. रिसेंट एविडेंस डज नॉट वर्क आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन. इट इज नॉट डिफरेंट super high yield for PFC. The primary mechanism mentioned in with ovulation, which statement is true. Thickened cervical mucus. Recent evidence suggests the levonorgestrel does not prevent implantation of fertilization. It prevent implantation of recent evidence suggests that does not prevent implant नहीं करता. ठीक है. और levonorgestrel abortifacient ट्रू. ये false है. Yes, ये ट्रू है. It work by destroying the endometrium. ये false है. cervical mucus thickening prevent sperm. ये ट्रू है. ठीक है. Before fertilization, after fertilization, not abortifacient. Indication condom failure, missed OCP, rape. Indication condom failure. Indication क्या है? condom failure, missed OCP, rape, lark, gut, liver, gastric implant, डप्पा, methyl liver, gastric, USP, villiprostol, acetate, copper D, mifepristone, helpel detail 1.5 milligram single dose, 1.5 milligram, 1.5 milligram single dose. ऑन काउंटर लेस देन 24 आवर्स इनहिबिट ओव्यूलेशन नॉट ए 45. ठीक है. उसके बाद हम आ जाते हैं. Any woman, very few contraindication, no medical complication reported. Can we use any woman, no contraindication, no medical complication reported, no metabolic side effect. Unlike combined OCP, not associated with fetal malformation, congenital defect, no increased risk of ectopic pregnancy. which one of the following is true regarding the lemon orchestral can be used by any woman? Lemon orchestral can be used by which one of the following is true regarding a lemon orchestral? Which one of the following true regarding lemon can be used by any woman? Lemon emergency contraception not associated with the fetal malformation. Inspector in 38-year-old smoker take lemon orchestral 1.5 milligram. As treatment is safe to use. Side effect false increased risk of ectopic false no medical communication have been reported to teratogenic false. ठीक है अच्छा taken within 17 failure rate 1% होता है more effective within 12 to 24 hours if greater than 22 hours and failure time or fertile time at cycle near ovulation effective level engagement decrease bottom better option than newly pressed acetate इन सूरत हाल में यूनिवर्सल बेहतर होता है ठीक है टाइम इज एवरीथिंग 95% इफेक्टिव एंड 24 आवर 85% एंड 72 आवर्स ठीक है ठीक है यूरोपियन वर्क बेटर 72 to 124 आवर्स एंड कॉपर्टी 5 days failure rate of liver against all emergency contraception when taken within 72 hours is failure rate of liver against all failure rate of liver against all emergency contraception failure rate of liver against an emergency contraception when taken within 7 is 1%. When analysis are not on better intercourse during mid-cycle based emergency contraception is usually precipitate a woman present 96 hours. Women present 96 hours after unprotected intercourse 96 hours ठीक है 96 है ना तो ये इसमें हम यूरिप्रिस्टल देंगे यूरिप्रिस्टल हम 120 आवर्स तक दे सकते हैं फिर अवेलेबल अर्गेस्ट्रल highest when taken within 12 to 24 hours. Gastral is a more effective near ovulation, less effective decrease when taken after 7 years to a better option to universal is better option. Universal acetate is better option greater than 7 universal acetate is the better option to universal acetate is better option greater than 17 hours. 2 hour to failure rate of 11 against 11 72 hours is one failure rate of 11 against 12 failure rate of 11 against 12 72 hours is 1% failure rate is failure rate of 11 against 12 failure rate of 11 against 72 hours 1% true male mechanism as why is even less effective near ovulation because male mechanism is delaying ovulation if it already started ovulation and eliminate it can delay it that's why property is preferred ठीक है indication and protect says condom failure rate पर copper liver random palm method liver SP UPA copper 1.5 milligram 72 hours and with ovulation not difficult safe for all women 1% failure based in 20 24 hours 1% failure based in 20 24 hours 1% failure based in 20 24 hours 1% failure 1% failure based in 20 1% failure based in 20 24 hours 1% failure based in 20 24 hours based on better than 1% failure based in 20 24 hours 1% failure better than 1% failure based in 20 24 hours better greater than 24 hours near ovulation ठीक है अब हम पढ़ते हैं यूनिप्रेसिल एसीटेट के बारे में सेलेक्टिव प्रोजेस्टेरॉन रिसेप्टर मॉड्यूलेटर है 30 मिलीग्राम सिंगल डोज है up to 120 hours after unprotected intercourse selective papilla by selective black progesterone action delay ovulation even after LH surge black progesterone action delay ovulation even after LH surge advantages over liver natural work better 72 to 120 hours during fertile and when near ovulation brain 11 can't we start hormonal contraception for 5 days after taking ulipristal acetate? TK ulipristal acetate belong to which class of drugs? Selective progesterone receptor modulator dose and window of effectiveness for ulipristal acetate 30 milligram within 120 hours. Preferred when stolen patient present at 96 hours in mid-cycle effective up to 5 days to a dose of 30 milligram ulipristal is effective less than a year ovulation falls more effective less effective नहीं होती more effective होती है selective progesterone receptor modulator to up to 72 hours up to 120 hours 1.5 milligram up to 72 hour 1.5 milligram up to 72 hour 1.5 milligram 0.5 milligram, 30 milligram, 1.5 milligram, 1.5 milligram, 30 milligram, 1.5 milligram, 30 milligram, up to 72 hours, up to 120 hours, up to 72 hours, up to 124 hours, 1.5 milligram, milligrams, 30 milligram, 1.5 milligram, 30 milligram, 72 hours, 120 hours, 24 hours, 124 hours, less effective, more effective, progesterone, selective progesterone है, ये selective progesterone receptor modulator है। ठीक है, उसके बाद आ जाते हैं हम इमरजेंसी कंट्रासेप्शन पे। इमरजेंसी कंट्रासेप्शन मोस्ट इफेक्टिव फॉर्म का है, अप टू 5 days इफेक्टिव है। फर्टिलाइजेशन में इम्प्लांटेशन नॉट प्रीफर्ड इन वुमेन विद इंक्रीज्ड कैपेसिटी genital tract infection rectum veteran can continue to be used as a regular contraception less than 0.1% failure rate better than any pill dual action experimental effect of copper inflammatory effect on less than 0.1% failure less than 0.1% for 1% and less than 0.1% failure rate better than any pill dual action experimental effect of copper inflammatory spermicidal effect of copper inflammatory effect on endometrium inflammatory effect providing ongoing contraception for 10 years. Allegation are the STI, PID, postcoital rape due to infection, STI, PID, postcoital rape. ठीक है, most effective method of emergency contraception, copper IUD, which one of the following is a contraindication for cavity suspected STI, maximum time into for insertion of copper T, even 20 hours, 5 days, and about copper T is emergency contraception. Emergency contraception true. Emergency contraception is the true. Both fertilization and implantation can be most effective. Yes, true. It can be inserted 3 doses. No, it falls at 5 days. Preferred in women with STI. It is not preferred in women with STI. Yes, true. Once inserted, it can be used for long contraception. True. Within 24 hours, per day, within 24 to 72 hours. 11 hours, requested. Copper T 72 to 125 uripestin and copper T near ovulation uripestin and copper T long-term copper T serapian uripestin is regular gets are not cut uripestin acetate or not cut. You have a now complicated full emergency module. You have now completed module. ठीक है और pyramid में copper T long-term is effective up to 120 hours and provide ongoing contraception में copper include all except in a bit ovulation. And you are all present 4 days after unprotected intercourse. She has multiple sexual partner. Multiple sexual 22-year-old present 4 days after unprotected intercourse. 22 years old present 4 days after unprotected intercourse. 22 years old present 22-year-old present 4 days after unprotected intercourse. 22-year-old present 4 days after unprotected intercourse. 22-year-old present 4 days after 22-year-old present 4 days after unprotected intercourse. 22-year-old present 22-year-old present 4 days after unprotected intercourse. She has a multiple sexual partner. Usually present. The multiple the failure rate of couple less than 0.1%. Effective up to 5 days. Yes, to act only before fertilization. Prevent implantation. Act only before fertilization. Also prevent implantation. No false egg can be left in place for 10 years. True. Period and active PID. No. It has higher efficacy than liver gastral. Yes, true. Contraindication of copper insertion includes suspected malignancy. False. Primary is used before pregnancy. Current PID. Rape victim case. Nulliparity. No. False. नॉलिपेरेटी में कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन नहीं है। विल्सन डिजीज कॉपर मेटाबॉलिज्म डिसऑर्डर, तो विल्सन डिजीज में भी हम नहीं देते। ठीक है, उसके बाद है हमारे पास 28-year-old वुमेन हेड कंडम रप्चर 30 years ago लॉन्ग टर्म कंट्रासेप्शन का पार्टी वुमेन प्रेजेंट 100 hours आफ्टर रेप शी नो द STI बेस्ड यूलिप्रेस्टल एसीटेट एंड रेप और इन्फेक्शन रिस्क। ठीक है, उसके बाद हमारे पास है the assertion reason type CPSC favorite copper is the most effective method. Ticket can be inserted up to 5 days after intercourse. Both true, but हाँ, नीम की एफिकेसी 100, efficacy most effective less than 0.1% up to 5 days. Fertilization and implantation, contraindication, STI risk, PID, rape, बोनस ऑनगोइंग कंट्रासेप्शन 10 years। ठीक है, ये तो मतलब एफिकेसी जो है इसकी इफेक्टिव है 0.1% है, विंडो अप टू 5 days है, और 120 hours है, विंडो अप टू 5 days, विंडो अप टू 5 days एंड 120 hour, विंडो अप टू 5 days है और 120 hours तक है। ठीक है, हमें फर्टिलाइजेशन इम्प्लांटेशन को इनहिबिट करता है, कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन STI PID रेप है, बोनस ऑनगोइंग कंट्रासेप्शन 10 years। ठीक है, तो ये हो गया हमारा आज का।